After completing 5 rounds of Suryanamaskara A, return to Samastitihi and will flow directly into Suryanamaskara B. Again, I'll count the vinyasa in Sanskrit. Ekam, bend your knees. Sit the hips low as you reach the hands high. Press the palms together. Look up at the thumbs. Dwe, exhaling, keep the knees bent until the hands come to the floor and then straighten them and the head comes down. Trini, inhale, lift the chest, head up. Chatwari, exhale, jump back and lower down to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, open the chest, head back. And Shat, exhale into downward facing dog. The right foot steps forward. The left heel turns down to the midline, so heels in a line. Square the hips forward and inhale, reach up. Press the hands together, look up. Ashto, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava, inhale, head up. And Dasha, exhale, downward facing. Ekadasha, the left foot steps forward, square the hips forward, inhaling, reach up, keep the knee bent. And Dwadasha, hands flat on the floor, step back and lower down to Chaturanga. Trayodasha, inhale, roll the shoulders back, keep the legs engaged and lifting. And Chaturdasha, lift the hips up and back, rolling over the toes. Take a small step with the feet if you need to into downward facing dog and breathe 5 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you finish the exhale, bend the knees into the chest and crouch as you prepare to Panchadasha. Jump the feet forward together between the hands, head up. Shodasha, exhale, deep forward bend. Saptadasha, bend the knees. Inhale, sit low and reach high to the ceiling. Look up. Samastitihi. Again, Ekam, bend the knees. Reach the hands high. Look up at the thumbs. Dwe, exhale, ribs to the thighs, and then head down. Trini, inhale, head up, nose tip gaze. Chatwari, exhale. If you feel strong enough, you can jump straight to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale. And Shat, exhale. Downward facing. Sapta, if possible, turn the left heel down and then step the right foot forward. Square the hips, bend the right knee, reach up, inhaling. And Ashto, exhale, hands flat, step back, bend the elbows, Chaturanga. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Come fully into downward facing dog before turning the right heel in. Step the left foot forward, bend the left knee, and inhale, reach up, look up. And Dwadasha, exhale, step back, lower down as you exhale. Trayodasha, inhale, open the chest. And Chaturdasha, exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe deeply. 1, gazing towards the navel, Nabi Chakra Drishti. 2, hands shoulder width apart, ground through the base of the fingers. 3, make sure your hands are straight, so don't turn the fingers out. Either the pointer finger or the middle finger can face directly forward. It depends on your individual body. 4, press the heels to the floor and engage the quadriceps. And 5, finishing the exhalation, bends the knees and shifts the gaze forward. And then Panchadasha, press the hands into the floor as you jump the feet together, lift the chest, inhaling, head up. Shodasha, exhale, deep forward bend, and then Saptadasha, bend your knees. Inhale, reach up, look up at the thumbs. Samastitihi. Ekam, bend the knees, inhaling, reach up, look up. Dwe, exhale, keep the knees bent until the hands come to the floor, head down. Trini, inhale, open the chest, lengthen the spine. And Chatwari, again, if the core is strong and you can land in a stable shoulder position, Chaturanga, Pancha, inhale. And Shat, exhale, downward dog. Left heel down, right foot forward, inhale, square the body towards the front of the mat. Reach up, look up. And Ashto, exhale, Keep the body firm as you lower down. Nava, inhale, open the chest, distribute the arch throughout the spine. And Dasha, exhale, downward dog. Right heel in, left foot forward, square the hips, inhaling Ekadasha. Dwadasha, exhale, keep the body in a straight line and lower down. Triodasha, open the chest, lift the legs, and lift from the hips up and back, exhaling into Chaturdasha, downward facing dog. This is Adho Mukha Svanasana, breathing deeply. 1, 2, stretch the shoulders, lengthen the spine. 3, relax the neck and relax the upper back. 4, press the palms into the floor, reach the heels to the floor. 4, 5, jumping on Panchadasha, inhale, head up. Shodasha, exhale, fold forward. Saptadasha, bend your knees, inhale, reach up, press the palms together, look up. Samastiti. Now, you can use this video to go through again from the beginning if that helps, if you need to. But the goal is to remember the sequence. So do Suryanamaskara B 2 more times on your own. Try to remember this sequence and memorize it. So we want these sequences and postures to become integrated into our body's memory. And in that way, the practice itself becomes a moving meditation. If necessary, you can use the video as many times as you like to listen to the cues and observe the demonstration to help you learn the sequence properly. After completing 5 rounds of Suryanamaskara B, you're going to sit down and take Sukhasana again. So you can see here I'm just sitting at the front of the mat with Yana Mudra. Again, the first finger and the thumbs touch, finger straight, arm straight, spine straight for 10 deep breaths. Ujjayi breathing, so a very gentle contraction at the back of the throat. Almost if you were going to fog up a mirror with your breath, but then you were to close your mouth. Produce a soft, steady sound at the back of the throat, so not in the nose, without straining. Listen to that steady sound. The inhalation and exhalation should be rhythmic and of equal duration and similar quality and sound. If Ujjayi is not happening yet, don't worry, just breathe freely through your nose and it will come with time. Still practicing Mula Bandha, the root lock, Uddiyana Bandha, and Nasagra Drishti for 10 or more breaths, and then lie down and take rest. Stay for at least 5 to 10 breaths. Stay for at least 5 to 10 minutes in Shavasana, taking rest, before slowly wiggling the fingers and toes and making your way back up to a seat. So your assignment is to practice 5 rounds each of Suryanamaskara A and Suryanamaskara B, then Sukhasana for at least 10 deep Ujjayi breaths, and then lie down and rest for at least 5 minutes. Do this 4 to 6 times per week until you're ready to move on to the standing postures. Namaste.